Welcome to this complete Santa Monica, California guide. The city of Santa Monica is a coastal oasis where the sun kisses the sea and the palm trees sway in a gentle breeze. This vibrant city is home to a blend of unique spots that cater to every type of adventurer. From the iconic Santa Monica Pier and the bustling Third Street Promenade to the serene Santa Monica Mountains and the lively Santa Monica Farmers Market, we've got 10 must-visit spots for you. So buckle up and prepare to explore the beautiful city of Santa Monica. First on our list, the iconic Santa Monica Pier. A beacon of the Pacific, this lively pier has roots stretching back to the early 20th century. As the proud end of the historic Route 66, it's a symbol of the American spirit of adventure. It's not just the history that draws people in, though. The Santa Monica Pier is home to a wealth of attractions and activities. From the thrill of the roller coaster to the nostalgic charm of the carousel, there's something for everyone, not to mention the stunning panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. For those with a penchant for aquatic life, the Pier Aquarium is a must-see, hosting over 100 species of marine animals. And if you're a bit of a foodie, the pier offers an array of dining options from fresh seafood to classic American fare. In essence, a visit to Santa Monica isn't complete without experiencing the pier. Next, we head to the bustling Third Street Promenade. Imagine a vibrant stretch where your retail dreams come true. That's the promenade for you. It's a veritable cornucopia of shopping with big-name brands rubbing shoulders with unique boutiques. But it's not all about retail therapy. The promenade is also a gastronomic paradise. From gourmet delights to casual bites, the dining options are as diverse as they are delicious. Now, let's not forget the entertainment. The promenade is a stage for a plethora of street performers. It's not uncommon to stumble upon a world-class musician strumming a guitar, a magician defying reality, or a dancer twirling under the open sky. The best part? It's all pedestrian-friendly, so feel free to wander, explore, and let the atmosphere of this dynamic locale envelop you. For shopping enthusiasts and food lovers, Third Street Promenade is a must-visit. Now, let's soak up the sun at Santa Monica Beach. A world-renowned seaside attraction, this beach stretches over 3.5 miles of the California coastline. With its soft golden sands and sparkling Pacific waves, it's truly a sight to behold. The beach bustles with a variety of activities. Volleyball enthusiasts, for instance, can dive headfirst into a game on the numerous beach volleyball courts. Not a fan of volleyball? Not to worry, the beach also offers prime opportunities for surfing. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or a beginner, the waves here cater to all. Then, of course, there are the iconic lifeguard towers, standing tall and ever watchful. Painted in vibrant hues, they not only ensure the safety of beachgoers but also add a dash of color to the landscape. So whether you're looking to engage in some sports, ride the waves, or simply lounge under the California sun, Santa Monica Beach has got you covered. For those looking for a relaxing day by the sea, Santa Monica Beach is your spot. Moving on, we find ourselves at Pacific Park, a jewel in the crown of Santa Monica. Pacific Park is a seaside playground that's brimming with excitement. Let's start with the Ferris wheel, shall we? Known as the Pacific Wheel, it's the world's first solar-powered Ferris wheel and offers a mesmerizing view of the Pacific Ocean. If you're more of an adrenaline junkie, the West Coaster roller coaster with its oceanfront track will get your heart racing. Now, let's not forget about the food and games. Pacific Park is a treasure trove of classic American treats. Think cotton candy, hot dogs, and popcorn. And for the competitive souls, the park offers a variety of games from ring toss to whack-a-mole. There's something for everyone. So whether you're a thrill seeker looking for your next adventure or a family wanting to create unforgettable memories, Pacific Park offers a fun-filled day. Now let's move to the next stop on our Santa Monica tour. Next, we venture into the breathtaking Santa Monica Mountains. A treasure trove of natural beauty, these mountains are a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. With miles upon miles of hiking trails, there's a path for everyone, from the casual stroller to the seasoned trekker. Just imagine, every step you take is a dance with nature, each footfall a whisper in the grand conversation of the wilderness. The mountains are also home to an abundance of wildlife. Deer, coyotes, even the elusive mountain lion all call these rugged slopes home. But don't worry, they're just as keen to avoid you as you are them. And then there are the panoramic views. From the top, one can witness a sweeping vista of the Pacific Ocean, the cityscape of Santa Monica, and even the distant Channel Islands on a clear day. Nestled within these mountains, you'll find the Getty Villa, a spectacular homage to ancient art and culture. For nature lovers and adventurers, the Santa Monica Mountains are a paradise. Let's now explore the elegant Annenburg Community Beach House. This isn't your ordinary beach house. It's a public marvel steeped in rich history and architectural grandeur. Once the opulent home of silent film actress Marion Davies, it was reimagined to its current glory in 2009. The architecture of the house is a blend of the past and present, retaining elements of Davies's original lavish mansion while incorporating modern functionality. It's truly a spectacle to behold. But it's not all about the looks. The beach house is also a hub of activities. Fancy a dip? The pool, originally designed by Julia Morgan, is open to the public. Or perhaps you're in the mood for some yoga. They've got you covered with classes that will help you find your zen while enjoying the ocean's calming sounds. For a touch of luxury and relaxation, visit the Annenburg Community Beach House. It's more than just a destination, it's an experience. Up next, Palisades Park. This charming and scenic spot is a true gem in the heart of Santa Monica. One of the park's most enchanting features is its unrivaled views of the Pacific Ocean. From its lofty vantage point, you can feast your eyes on endless azure waters meeting the sky at the horizon, a sight that truly takes your breath away. And for those who enjoy a leisurely stroll, Palisades Park offers well-maintained walking trails. These paths wind their way through the park, allowing you to explore its beauty at your own pace. And let's not forget the iconic palm trees. These towering sentinels of the park add an unmistakable touch of California charm to the landscape. They stand tall and proud, swaying gently in the ocean breeze, their silhouettes etched against the sky, creating a picture-perfect postcard of Californian beauty. For a peaceful retreat in the city, Palisades Park is your go-to place. Now let's visit the vibrant Santa Monica Farmers Market. A kaleidoscope of colors, aromas and flavors, this market is a foodie's paradise. Picture stalls brimming with a diverse array of fresh produce, sun-kissed strawberries, ripe avocados and leafy greens, just to name a few, all grown locally and bursting with flavor. But it's not just about the fruits and veggies. The market also showcases a tantalizing selection of baked goods. Imagine biting into a flaky croissant, fresh from the oven, or savoring a slice of homemade pie, sweet with seasonal fruit. What sets the Santa Monica Farmers Market apart is its commitment to sustainability. Each vendor proudly displays their locally sourced produce, minimizing carbon footprints and supporting local farmers. From organic honey to artisanal cheeses, every item tells a story of sustainable, community-oriented farming. For fresh, local fare, you can't beat the Santa Monica Farmers Market. Let's flex our muscles at the famous Muscle Beach. A place that's more than just a beach, it's a testament to the culture of fitness and outdoor exercise. Born in the mid-20th century, Muscle Beach became a beacon for bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts, attracting the likes of Arnold Schwarzenegger and Lou Ferrigno. The beach's weight pen, filled with heavy-duty workout equipment, has become an iconic symbol of this place. But it's not just about the iron pumping. The beach also offers spaces for gymnastics, acrobatics, and even a bit of tightrope walking if you're feeling particularly daring. And it's not just for the pros either. Anyone can show up and have a go, whether it's your first time lifting a weight or you're a seasoned gym goer. And let's not forget, it's all against the backdrop of the beautiful Santa Monica coast. For fitness enthusiasts, Muscle Beach is a must-visit. Lastly, we arrive at the stylish Santa Monica Place. This modern open-air shopping center is a gem in the heart of Santa Monica. It's a haven for shopaholics, boasting a stunning array of high-end boutiques and popular retail stores. But it's not just about shopping. Santa Monica Place serves up a plethora of dining options too, catering to every palate. From gourmet food to comfort cuisine, you're sure to find something that tickles your taste buds. And then there's the entertainment. Whether you're looking for a cozy cinema experience or an interactive play area for the little ones, Santa Monica Place has got you covered. Now let's not forget the cherry on top, the rooftop dining area. With panoramic views of the city, it's the perfect spot to unwind after a day of exploring. To cap off your Santa Monica experience, make sure to visit Santa Monica Place. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Santa Monica's finest spots. We've strolled along the iconic Santa Monica Pier, shopped at the bustling Third Street Promenade, soaked up sun at the Santa Monica Beach, and marveled at the natural beauty of the Santa Monica Mountains. From the lively Pacific Park to the historic Annenburg Community Beach House, the tranquil Palisades Park, the fresh Santa Monica Farmers Market, the energetic Muscle Beach, and the trendy Santa Monica place. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Santa Monica adventure today.